Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing well. So in this video, we will be discussing about the option trading plan for 16th December expiry, which is the next week expiry. And उसके पहले हम अपना जो option trading plan जो हमने last week discuss किया था in this video, तो we will just check the status of this position कि हमारा position profit में था या loss में था, and you will see what is the net P&L so far as we are creating the option the position this for the last 6 months so far. So we will just discuss everything. And if you have missed this video, or if you have not if you are not getting notified, then you can subscribe to our channel, and also you can like the video as it serves as a motivation for us to create more videos like this in the future as well. So let's begin with this video now. So we अगर हम अपने पोजीशन का स्टेटस देखेंगे, so I have just updated all the position, and जो हमारा stop loss था, so on 6 December Nifty had closed below 17,000. So हमारा जो 17,000 का जो put option था that we have shorted, उसका जो stop loss hit हो गया था, and because of that we have to close entire position. So अभी अगर हम देखेंगे तो जो हमने पोजीशन सेल किए थे सारे OTM से, but that is not true क्योंकि हमारा stop loss 6 December को hit हो गया था, and because of that we have incurred a loss of around 1930 rupees per lot. So this is the status of the last week position, and इसको मैंने अपने एक्सेल जो गूगल शीट में हमने ऐड कर लिया, एंड वी आर जस्ट चेकिंग ऑल द पोजीशन फॉर द लास्ट 6 months as we are uploading all the option videos for the last 6 months on our YouTube channel. So जो भी करंट स्टेटस है, so gross profit that we have got is around 17,600, जो कि percentage terms में it is 35% so far. So right now we are undergoing some drawdown phase, but we will recover from it as well, because in the past also we have got a decent profit, and we are planning to stick with this same strategy as well. So we will focus on same strategy, and we will continue to trade using this same strategy as well. So if you feel that one is incurring huge losses or this, so just maintain your position size so that your risk on the overall capital is not more. So just take care of that. So coming on to the next week option trading plan for 16th December expiry. So this is a Nifty chart, and we will do the technical analysis first. So as of now अगर हम देखें तो जो resistance, immediate resistance जो Nifty को है, it is at this level, which is 17,600, and जो immediate support जो Nifty को है, it is at this level, which is 16,900. But if you see जो हमारा upside जो हमारा level है, it is very close to the spot price, which is 17,500 as of now. तो जो हमारा upside का जो risk है, that is more compared to the downside. So we will just make it equidistant so that जो हमारा premium से वो भी balance हो जाए, and we are in the safe zone right in this trading plan. So I just shift this resistance line upwards. So we will just shift this resistance line to the 17,800, and so we will just short the options at 17,800 call option, and the downside है we will just shift it to 17,100 just to make it equidistant. यहाँ से अगर हम देखें it is 400 points downside, and ऊपर के side it is 300 points upside. So मोटा मोटी it is equidistant, मतलब 100 points का difference है, but that is fine. So we will just focus on this, and just if I mention the lines, the levels in this. So we are shorting 17,800 call option, and on the downside we are shorting 17,100 put option. So this is just done because जो 17,000 अगर if we go with the lowest this swing low और जो हमारा support है, so 17,800 16,900 put option, तो उसका premium बहुत कम रहेगा, and it doesn't make sense to short that option. Instead we will focus on shorting option that has higher premium right now. So because of this we are shifting the put option थोड़ा ऊपर के side, which is 17,100, and जो resistance है जो we are taking this candle का high, which is 17,800 call option. So let's see the premiums in this option. So ये जो last week का position है सारे OTM है, but our stop loss got hit, so that is fine. So 17,800 call option and 17,100 put option. So I had forgot to mention that हम इसमें अपना position hedge भी करेंगे. So we will be buying 200 points away option right now to hedge our position. So on the upside, you will be buying 18,000 call option, and on the downside, you will be buying 16,900 put option, just to hedge our position. And in case the market becomes more volatile, and if there is a huge swing move or big gap up or gap down, then we are protected. Like our loss will be unlimited in that case. So that's why we are hedging our position. एंड जो हमारा एग्जिट प्लान रहेगा इसमें वी विल बी फॉलोइंग सेम एग्जिट प्लान इफ निफ्टी क्लोजेस अबाउट 17,800 और इफ निफ्टी क्लोजेस बिलो 17,100, तो हम अपनी पोजीशन क्लोज कर देंगे उस केस में, वी विल क्लोज और एग्जिट एंटायर पोजीशन. सो दिस इज द एग्जिट प्लान. और लेट्स से इफ निफ्टी कंसोलिडेट्स इन बिटवीन दिस टू रेंज, सो हम अपनी पोजीशन कैरी करेंगे टिल द एक्सपायरी एंड वी विल लेट द पोजीशन एक्सपायर्ड बाय लाइक ओटीएम. सो इट्स फाइन. सो if it consolidates, so हम अपनी पोजीशन ऐसे ही कैरी करके we will let it expire. And if it closes the resistance about the resistance or closes below the 17,100, तो हम अपनी पोजीशन उस केस में क्लोज कर देंगे. So just adding the hedging position right now, तो 18,000 call option and 16,900 put option. So this is the these are the options जिसमें हम अपनी पोजीशन लेंगे, एंड these are the premiums जो भी है. So we will just see the payoff chart right now, and let's see how much is the profit, how much is the loss and everything. So just loading the payoff right now. So Nifty options, and we will select 16th December expiry, sell, and 17,800 call option. सो ये हमारी विदाउट हेज पोजीशन है, जहाँ पे हमारा जो मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट है इट इज अराउंड 3,000 रुपीज, एंड जो मार्जिन पे करेंगे इट इज 1,02,000 और 3,000 रुपीज पर लॉट. बट अगर हम यहाँ पे देखें तो हमारा जो लॉस है इट इज अनडिफाइंड, एंड इफ मार्केट moves in one direction very fast, so हमारा जो loss है it will be undefined. And so I would suggest beginners to use hedging legs as well, so that जो loss है it gets restricted in that case. So now we will buy the hedging position, 16,900 put option buy, and 18,000 call option buy. So ये हमारी फाइनल पोजीशन है, एंड if we see तो हमारा जो maximum profit rate got reduced from 3,300 rupees to 1,900, so that is fine. The second important thing is जो probability of profit rate is now 67%, and जो हम margin pay कर रहे हैं it is around 45,100. So margin has also halved, and this is the major effect that we are seeing because of hedging. And जो maximum loss है that is around 8,100 rupees per lot. So we are not having undefined loss in this case, and हमारी position सारी hedge हो गए, and we will be taking this position tomorrow morning. So this is all about the option trading plan for 16th December expiry. And if you find this video helpful, or if you find our content very helpful, so then you can please go ahead and recommend or share our channel to others as well, those who want to learn about the equity market, stock market. And also you can like this video as well if you find this video helpful. Also do mention in the comment section about the views that you are seeing right now, and we can discuss about it as well. Other than this, there's a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you guys.